Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do a blurry face edit to your photo on EPIK. So here I've already opened the EPIK Photo Editor apps, and you can just start by clicking on the start editing, then choose your photos that you want to edit. Okay, let's say I want to edit okay, this photo is right here. Just select the photo, and after that just swipe until you find the effects option and then click on the blur category, and in here swipe until you find face. So this is the effects to only blur your face in photo. So you can just adjust the effects by clicking on the effects. You can adjust the intensity of the blur like this, and also the size and the vertical. So after that you can see here is the before and here is the after. If you like with the result, just click on the drop down here, the arrow down here, to save the photo into your gallery. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. Thank you.